got finished shopping at Sprouts. Get ready to go on the bike. My friend gave me a bike. If anyone been following me, on Tuesday, today's Friday. On Tuesday, my bike was stolen when I was here at Sprouts. So my friend gave me a new bike with a chain on it this time. So I'm grateful for that. And then I'm about to head to Trader Joe's to get some pizza dough. Trader Joe's kind of weird with recording there, so I'm not going to record when I go to inside Trader Joe's. But I'm going to get a few things from there, like some oil. It's cheaper there. I like to shop around. Get some oil there, pizza dough, and some pizza sauce. If you shop around, you definitely save more money. And that whole misconception that being vegan is expensive, that's just a lie. They're just trying to get people to eat unhealthy. Eat that McDonald's burger for $1.99. But stuff like that. You gotta eat to live, don't live to eat. So yeah, when I get to Trader Joe's, I'll be back. I forgot to start recording when I got to Trader Joe's, whatever you see. Fucking weird. But yeah, just get to Trader Joe's. Well, actually just leaving. I was rushing because it was raining. So as soon as I got here, I just ran right in there and just basically ran out. Heading home right now so I can make lunch for the family. But again, once I'm done making lunch, I'm gonna start my grocery haul. Got a lot of things that I want to show from Trader Joe's. Because Trader Joe's got a lot of, especially the waffles. You got gluten-free waffles. You get 8 for $2. Can't beat that. So when I get home, I'll be back. Here's our grocery haul. This side we have our Sprouts, and this side is Trader Joe's. I separated the two, just to make it easier when explaining what I got throughout the video. So it's separated by sea snacks, some seaweed chips. They're not like the smaller ones, they're bigger, so I actually used them as wraps before. I didn't have no rice paper or anything like that. Grab these big seaweed sheets and made like some sushi rolls on them. So a couple years ago when I initially transitioned to being vegan, I didn't like seaweed chips at all, but now I love them. My kids, they came out the womb loving them. So I wanted to grab these big ones right here from Sea Snacks. Sprouts had their own brand, and all seaweed to me doesn't taste the same, so I just wanted to give their brand a try. And you got 3 for like $1.50, so you really can't beat that. Anytime that I see like a good sale on a product that I eat, I give it a try. The strawberries. Strawberries was 4 for $5, so again $1.25 a piece. You can't beat that. Usually at the farmer's market, I'll get it for $2. So anytime I can save money again, I do it. So 75 cents cheaper. Got it from Sprouts. Here we have some ramen noodles. Like udon noodles. But these are the healthier alternatives, the healthier ones. Tina, she does most of the cooking. Everybody knows that by now. So sometimes when she don't feel like cooking, I can cook, but I'm not like a chef like her. So I can put on some noodles, make something quick, or make a boca burger. These ones right here, I like it. It's non-GMO soy. The bread box of the boca, they're soy GMO. But anytime like the box is green like this, you don't have to worry about it being GMO. So that's why I always go for like the green boca box, because it's non-GMO soy. And again, all this is processed food just because this video is for those, especially for those that are transitioning to being vegan. I know when we first initially transitioned, it wasn't too hard because I've been vegetarian my whole life, but still just like having the mind that had to read the ingredients all the time can be annoying. So that's why I have an idea. I'm not gonna get into that. You don't have to worry about reading the ingredients all the time. So I got an app I'm coming up with. So yeah, right here we have some Follow Your Heart veganese, soy free. Notice that the blue one has soy in it. I try to get soy free products as much as possible. Soy isn't the best thing for you. And if you would like me to elaborate on that, put a comment down below, and I'll make a video just elaborating why soy can be good, but at the same time it's not good for you. So yeah, last night we had made a pizza. I get my pizza dough from Trader Joe's. not to skip stores, but we skipping stores. So get my pizza dough from Trader Joe's. Again, Tina can make it by hand scratch, but just to make the process easier for her sometimes, you know, I don't want her cooking. I go in there, you know, roll out the dough and make the pizza for her. So we made pizza last night, so that's some of the cheese from our Daya, you know, is missing. But this is Daya's new recipe. You notice the packaging was a little different. I like this one over the other Daya cheese. This one melts way better. It tastes different. It tastes better to me. So and it was on sale. It's normally like $4.99. I got it from Sprouts for like $4.29. So I was like, why not? It's Friday, pizza night. Let's get some pizza. Well, let's get some cheese. So staying on Sprouts. Get real. I like this water right here. I'm really into water. All water doesn't taste the same. So anytime I see any water that looks interesting, I like try to give it a try. But I've been drinking this water for like 2 years now. It was on sale, so I was like, let's get some Get Real water. It's on sale, why not? You know. Flour. Unbleached flour. I try to make sure all my flour unbleached. Even though I don't do all the cooking, I do the shopping. You know, it's like we're a team, Batman and Robin. I do the shopping, you know, Tina, she does the cooking. So we got some all-purpose flour right here. Tina, she likes using spelt flour and garbanzo flour, but you know, that could be on the pricey side a little bit. So we got this right here, by Bob's Red Mill. It was on sale as well, so I was like, let's go, let's get it. Why not? It's a lot of flour. So it was like, I think $5.49, and it's 5 pounds. Can't beat that. You know, another way to save money on flour is getting things in bulk. We have a bulk section in our pantry. Again, if y'all interested, we can make another video on our bulk section, what things you should keep in bulk. Not should, because you know, I never want to force anybody, but everything's opinionated, and things that will be good, like essentials. We can make another video for that, for our dry bulk and our bulk that we have for like refrigerated. So Tina wanted to give this flavor a try. It was a strawberry cheesecake, so I picked it up for her. After trying it, she was saying that only flavor that she liked from this brand, Adamu, is the vanilla. So she wasn't really fond of that flavor. So I think that's it. No, we got one more thing. Sorry about that. 2 more things actually. Organic coconut milk, unsweetened. Anytime Tina bake anything or make mashed potatoes or anything like that, she use unsweetened coconut milk. We were using almond milk for the longest, but you know, almonds isn't the healthiest nut. And again, it's kind of like with the Oreos and the palm oil. Some people don't think it's vegan because they gotta destroy the forest just to make the palm oil. It's something similar like that with the almonds. And I think with a specific bug, I was reading about it. I think it was the bee. I'm not quite sure, but I'm definitely gonna look more into it. And when I find out exactly why almonds wasn't as good for you as people think, I'm definitely gonna make a video of that. And if you're interested on that video, please leave a comment, and I'll definitely be more motivated to make that content and find that information for you. Here we got Mom's Best Cereals. One thing I would say about this cereal right here, look for on any cereal, right here. Oh, in the back, obviously you can't see this, but it says partially processed with genetic engineering. So it's genetically modified. Only one cereal in this brand, Mom's Best Cereal, that isn't GMO. It's like the red cocoa balls, because I read all about back of them. And if I would have read this one like I usually do, I would have seen it, but they noticed that it was GMO, so I got home. So it made sense because I think it has rice in it. Yeah, rice flour. And most rice is GMO. So then we go to Trader Joe's. Didn't get too much from Trader Joe's because I went shopping earlier in the week. But again, the day I got my bike stolen, I actually went shopping that day, which was Tuesday. What was Tuesday? Tuesday was the 3rd of March. So yeah, did a little shopping then. So my grocery haul today is kind of small. Right here we got some taco shells from Trader Joe's. You get 12 tacos for $2, and they're vegan. Me right there. 12 tacos for $2. You can't beat that. Next we have waffles. Again, there's a misconception on veganism that it's expensive, but if you actually do your research, majority of people that are vegan make less than $30,000 a year. So yeah, that information is false. So again, Trader Joe's is like one of the only places you can get vegan waffles, and you get 8 for $2. Again, most places be like 6 for $34, 8 for $4. I mean, yeah, 8 for $2, and it's gluten free and vegan. Yeah, can't do that. This right here, I just wanted to get it. I don't really try to go with trends, but I seen a lot of people try this out, so I wanted to give it a try. But after getting it, Tina seen the recipe on it. I mean, not the recipe, the ingredients. And all the ingredients that's in this, we have in our shelf already, which is onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, and turmeric. So all that together made this vegan chickless. So it's like all of a marketing thing. She was like, oh my God. She was like, I got all this in the cabinet. I could have just made this. All about marketing. But again, if you don't educate yourself, you don't know. That's how people get over you, businesses get over you. Right? So I go to Trader Joe's for my oils. They're cheaper. Grapeseed oil and avocado oil. Tina loves cooking with these two oils. This one more so. But she like cooking with avocado more so than the grapeseed oil. So, but I got both of them for her. So, cause she can be picky. We got vegan ice cream from Trader Joe's, soy based. Again, I made this last because, like I was saying earlier, I really try to stay away from soy products. I thought Trader Joe's had a coconut based vanilla ice cream, but I was wrong. So the kids love ice cream, so sometimes every once in a while I let them have something sweet, and it'd be like some ice cream, something like that. I don't really like to give them sweet things, but fruits, sugars. These kids, sugar. You're right. If anybody got kids, you know how it can be. The kids have sugar in their system. All right, that's it. Appreciate everyone for watching this video. Give this video a like, thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. If you aren't on our Instagram, you can do so at PeaceLoveVegan420. So again, if you'd like to support us, click that link below for our GoFundMe. Also, we have a Cash App, PeaceLoveVegan420. And like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.